Hiya! Using spring greens and spinach, we show you how to cook vegetable soup outside Nigeria.
Salt, spring greens, chopped spring onions, palm oil, chopped pepper, and chopped spinach. And that's the meat boiling for at least 20 minutes. And if you notice, I haven't got much water in the meat because this vegetable soup, doesn't require much water. Okay, doesn't require much water. So spinach goes in first. Followed by spring onions. Pepper. Some salt. No. Not in Igbo. Okay. Yeah, that salt is going in. And then the spring greens. Because there isn't much water, I just want to make sure it's all mixed together. I'm just going to cover. I'll leave it for 5 minutes and I'll check again. Okay. So it has reduced a bit, the vegetables. Just pour in the palm oil. Manuni. Okay, so I've tested it. It needs more salt. No. If you notice, I haven't put any fish in here. It's not by choice. Just that I've just cooked what I have in the house. So I have meat and I have the vegetables, but I haven't got any fish there. It's in miri. Little bit more water. Miri water. Okay. That was the 5 minutes. If you notice, I checked it before the 5 minutes. Because vegetables, if you leave it for long, it will just overcook. So I actually checked it like 3 minutes or so. Right, that's what it looks like, and it is done. So total cooking time 5 minutes, not including the meat. Okay. Okay. So that's the vegetable soup. Okay. Thank you all for watching. And you can eat this with rice, gari, niji, whatever you would like to, or just by itself. Dalana.
Have you tried other vegetables? Leave comments below and please subscribe. Thank you.